What is up, everyone? Sorry for coming in so late. I started recording earlier, well, at least I thought so, and I guess I didn't because we're here and I have no video of it before. So this is the 2016 Golf R. It's gonna be new to the channel. We're gonna be doing things here and there to it. I am gonna do a full stage 1 tune today. So I'm starting with the intake by 034 Motorsports. So what you gotta do, pull off your intake. There is a T30 bolt back there to do the inlet pipe. Once you get that off, it's a quick twist. You twist towards the firewall. Then this, I put a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, to pop this off, to replace it back onto there. And this was the hardest part. This clamp, well, on the stock intake, was facing down there. I had to wiggle it around, loosen it by hand, by whatever I could find, just to move it enough so I could lift up the intake, twist it that way, and was able to take off the rest of the way. With the MK7 Golf Rs, they come with these snow ducks, I hear they're called. I don't know. I ripped it out. Let's see where we're at now. So right now, I am gonna put the stock cover back on. Right back onto there. Make sure everything aligns. I do have the filter. I think this is a regular K&N. It comes with the little intake setup. I went the cheap route to use a stock box. You know, I hear really doesn't change much if you go into a cold air intake. I've been seeing everybody's still getting the same numbers, so I went the cheaper route of the bunch. Yeah, I'm not gonna get a lot of intake noise. I'm not gonna get, you know, that spool noise that everybody likes to hear, but that doesn't really matter to me. I have all that on there, you know, so yeah, I'll keep you updated. All right, and just like that, everything's back together. So the tools you need a T30 to take all of these out. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to take out the box. You'll need a I want to say 7 mil. Yeah, 7 mil for the back, 7 mil for the front on the stock. On the aftermarket, if you're going 034 Motorsports, 7 in the back, 10 up front. Back here, like I said, you needed a T30, then it changed into an Allen head, which is a 3/16. So like I said before, with the stock, which is here, this tiny little dude, you take it off. Yeah, maybe it'll be easier if I showed you here. Say this is on the turbo, like this. You unscrew this spot right here. There's like I said, the 30. You twist down, you pull out. Then when you're putting the stock one back in, or the aftermarket back in, it's a little tough. It catches a little higher. I don't know why. Mine was facing more towards the front, like it is now. I think I moved it less than like a ½ an inch. So when I put it in, twist, change out the bolt, make sure you put the Allen one back in. You know, don't want to strip anything. Take out your old dusty stock filter. Once that's in, make sure this is connected nice and secure. I didn't tighten everything down right away. I made sure everything aligned great. You know, I don't want no wiggles, no pop-offs, no nothing like that. This was literally like a 30-minute job to do if you have all the tools. So yeah, expect to see more updates on the R. I have more free time now, even though we're all back to work. So expect to see some more content on this car. I will try to make some free time to upload more, guys. I am sorry. You know, with everything open back up, our job is extremely busy. You know, Yui and I are trying to create content, but it's kind of hard when we're working 8 hours to 12 hours a day with little to no staff. So work comes first, project cars come second. You might see more updates on this car too.